Turkey's firearm industry has expanded rapidly, with manufacturers producing modern rifles, pistols, and shotguns used both domestically and internationally. In this video, we'll take a look at many of the firearms produced by Turkish companies.
Starting off with assault and battle rifles. MPT-76, MKEK's flagship 7.62mm battle rifle, designed entirely in Turkey. This is the standard issue weapon for the Turkish armed forces, built to dominate in mountain warfare and desert operations. MPT-55, the compact 5.56mm variant of the MPT series by MKEK. Optimized for special forces and close quarters battle, it maintains full power in a shortened package for urban operations. KCR 556, Kalip's modular 5.56mm assault rifle with exceptional customization. Features a free-floating barrel for superior accuracy, making it ideal for Turkish commando units demanding precision. KCR 762, the hard-hitting 7.62 by 51mm version from Kalip, delivers devastating stopping power at extended ranges while maintaining the modularity that special operations teams require in challenging terrain. SAR 56, Sar Silmaz's entry into modern assault rifles chambered in 5.56mm NATO, emphasizes ergonomic design with ambidextrous controls, reflecting Turkey's growing expertise in small arms manufacturing. SAR 223, a lightweight tactical rifle from Sar Silmaz, firing .223 Remington. Built for rapid target acquisition and maneuverability, it excels in dynamic shooting scenarios where speed determines survival. SAR 308, Sar Silmaz's robust 308 Winchester platform designed for harsh environments. This rifle proves Turkish engineering can withstand extreme temperatures, from Anatolian winters to scorching Middle Eastern summers. Now this is the Akdash SAM, Akdash's semi-automatic marksman rifle, bridging the gap between standard infantry weapons and sniper systems. Provides designated marksmen with precision fire support within squad operations. MAR 556, a compact 5.56mm carbine designed for mechanized infantry and vehicle crews. Its shortened barrel makes it perfect for rapid deployment from armored personnel carriers in urban warfare. KAAN 717, Kal's specialized carbine, optimized for counter-terrorism operations. Extremely maneuverable in confined spaces, while maintaining the accuracy needed for hostage rescue scenarios throughout Turkey. Continuing with sniper and designated marksman rifles. JNG 90, NKEK's precision bolt-action sniper rifle, chambered in .338 Lapua Magnum. Capable of neutralizing targets beyond 1,500 meters, it represents Turkey's commitment to indigenous long-range capabilities. The next one, KNT-76. The designated marksman version of the MPT-76 by MKEK. Extends infantry engagement ranges with enhanced optics and improved barrel, keeping Turkish squads lethal at distance. KNT-308. NKEK's 308 Winchester sniper platform, built for stealth and reliability. Features a suppressor-ready barrel and accepts night vision optics for covert operations in mountainous border regions. KNT-859. An advanced 8.59mm sniper system from MKEK, incorporating composite materials. Represents cutting-edge Turkish ballistics research for extreme long-range precision in challenging conditions. The next one, MKE-408, MKEK's 408 Shitak Extreme Long-Range Rifle, designed for counter-sniper operations. Engages targets beyond 2 kilometers, pushing the boundaries of Turkish marksmanship capabilities. Kale KN-12, a versatile 12.7mm sniper rifle from Kalip, offering excellent portability. Balances anti-material power with mobility for Turkish special forces operating in diverse theaters. Kale KSR 338, Kal's 338 Lapua Magnum precision rifle, delivering match-grade accuracy. Transfers massive kinetic energy downrange while maintaining sub-MOA groupings for surgical long-distance engagements. Kale KSR 50, the ultimate anti-materiel rifle from Kale, firing 50 BMG rounds. Defeats light armor, destroys equipment, and neutralizes fortified positions from extreme standoff distances with devastating effect. Kale KMR 762, a rapid-fire 7.62mm
designated marksman rifle by Kale Kellop. Semi-automatic operation allows quick follow-up shots while maintaining accuracy that keeps enemy forces suppressed and demoralized. Kale MAM-15, Kale's lightweight tactical rifle platform in 5.56mm, optimized for quick reaction forces. Modern construction techniques reduce weight without sacrificing durability for Turkey's rapid deployment units.
Next on the list is machine guns.
PMT-76, MKEK's 7.62mm general-purpose machine gun, derived from the MPT platform, provides sustained automatic fire for Turkish infantry squads, maintaining suppression during extended firefights.
Now this is the SAR 762MT, Sarsilmaz's belt-fed 7.62mm machine gun engineered for thermal endurance. The quick-change barrel system allows continuous operation in prolonged engagements without overheating failures. The next one, SAR 127MT, a devastating 12.7mm heavy machine gun from Sarsilmaz, penetrates light vehicles and fortifications with ease, providing Turkish forces with overwhelming firepower against hardened targets.
Up next, SAR 56 HMT, Sarsilmaz's vehicle-mounted 5.56mm heavy machine gun variant. Designed for fixed defensive positions and armored vehicle integration, delivering high-volume suppressive fire with excellent stability. MKE-MMT, MKEK's modern general-purpose machine gun, featuring modular design. Easy field maintenance and reliable feeding system make it an adaptable workhorse for Turkish mechanized infantry battalions.
TİSAŞ MG8 TİSAŞ's rapid-firing 7.62mm machine gun, providing critical fire support. High cyclic rate delivers psychological impact and effective suppression, forcing enemies into cover during assaults.
Now this is the MKEK MG3, the legendary MG3 produced under license by MKEK, with incredible 1,200 rounds per minute. Its distinctive sound intimidates enemies, while the sheer volume of fire denies them movement. KMG 556, Kale's 5.56mm light machine gun, offering superior mobility. A single operator can deliver sustained automatic fire while advancing, fundamentally changing infantry squad tactics and flexibility. KMG 762, a reliable, belt-fed 7.62mm machine gun from Kale Kellop, engineered with enhanced cooling and robust feeding mechanism to maintain continuous fire without stoppages during critical moments. Canik M2 QCB, Canik's modernized 50 caliber M2 Browning with quick change barrel technology. This legendary heavy machine gun gets Turkish engineering upgrades for improved combat efficiency and reliability.
Next up, submachine guns.
SAR 109, Sarsilmaz's compact 9mm submachine gun designed for concealment. Perfect for close protection details and plainclothes operations, where discretion and rapid response are equally important.
Next, MKEK MP5.
The iconic Heckler & Koch MP5, manufactured under license by MKEK, remains the gold standard for counter-terrorism units across Turkey, offering unmatched accuracy in close quarters.
TE54,
a straightforward 9mm submachine gun, emphasizing simplicity and function. No-frills design ensures reliability, when complexity could mean failure in law enforcement and security applications.
Moving on to pistols.
SAR 9, Sarsilmaz's modern 9mm striker-fired pistol, built for extreme durability. Withstands desert sand, mountain cold, and coastal salt spray while maintaining accuracy Turkish security forces demand.
SAR K12,
a precision-engineered 9mm pistol from Sarsilmaz, favored by competitive shooters. The crisp single-action trigger and tight tolerances deliver exceptional accuracy for sport and service use. Then SAR SR38, Sarsilmaz's robust .38 special revolver, representing ultimate mechanical reliability. When absolute certainty matters more than capacity, this wheel gun delivers, with no complex mechanisms to fail. Then Canik TP9, Canik's breakthrough 9mm pistol that gained worldwide recognition for incredible value. Turkish engineering excellence made premium features accessible, disrupting the global handgun market dramatically. Canik Meti, the evolution of Canik's successful TP9 series with refined ergonomics.
Features optics-ready slide and improved grip texture, representing Turkey's continuous innovation in pistol design.
Çanak SFX Rival. Çanak's competition-focused 9mm pistol, engineered for speed shooting sports. Every component is optimized for faster target transitions, proving Turkish manufacturers compete at the highest level. Çanak TTI Combat, a collaboration between Çanak and Taran Tactical Innovations for elite performance. Combines Turkish manufacturing with American custom gunsmithing for a truly world-class combat pistol.
Yavuz 16, TSAS's classic 9mm service pistol that served Turkish forces for decades. Known for rugged all-steel construction and reliable double-action operation in any environmental condition. The next one, Kılınç 2000, a sturdy 9mm pistol from Kılınç offering dependable service. Traditional design and solid construction make it a trusted sidearm for Turkish law enforcement and military personnel.
Gerson MC28. Gerson's modern polymer-framed 9mm pistol, emphasizing concealability. Balances magazine capacity with comfortable carry dimensions for undercover officers and civilian defense across Turkey. TSAS Zigana. An innovative 9mm pistol from TSAS featuring distinctive styling. Well regarded for smooth shooting characteristics and unique aesthetic that sets it apart from conventional service pistols.
Kırıkkale Pistol, a historic 3.2 ACP pistol representing Turkey's early firearms manufacturing. Produced in Kırıkkale, this compact sidearm remains an important piece of Turkish industrial and military heritage.
Moving on to shotguns. Sarsılmaz M212, a tactical 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun from Sarsılmaz, built for speed. Magazine-fed operation enables rapid follow-up shots for room clearing and close-range defensive scenarios. The next one, Sarsılmaz M204, a reliable 12-gauge pump-action shotgun offering simplicity and stopping power. Turkish police forces trust this straightforward design for riot control and building entry operations. The next one, Aktas AK-12 UBS, an underbarrel 12-gauge shotgun attachment by Aktas for assault rifles, instantly transforms a standard rifle into a breaching tool or close-quarters powerhouse without weapon switching. The next one, MKA 1919, an innovative 12-gauge magazine-fed shotgun resembling an AR platform, combines rifle-like handling with devastating shotgun power, offering rapid reloads for dynamic tactical situations. Armsan Armtac. Armsan's rugged 12-gauge tactical shotgun, designed for law enforcement use. Built to withstand intensive training and high-stress operations where reliability cannot be compromised. Armsan RS-S1, a modern 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun from Armsan with soft recoil. Gas-operated system reduces felt recoil significantly, enabling faster follow-up shots and improved control. The next one, UTAS UTS-15. A futuristic 12-gauge pump-action shotgun with dual magazine tubes. Turkish innovation shines through with 15-round capacity and ability to select ammunition type on the fly. Panzer Arms M4. A reliable 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun from Panzer Arms, balancing speed and control. Popular in competitive shooting and tactical applications for its consistent performance. Next on the list is grenade launchers and automatic cannons. AK-40GL, Aktaş's 40mm underbarrel grenade launcher, attaching to standard assault rifles. Provides infantry squads with immediate indirect fire capability against fortified positions and vehicle threats. AK-40MGL, a multi-shot 40mm grenade launcher from Aktas with revolving cylinder. Delivers area saturation with high explosive rounds in seconds, devastating enemy formations before they can react. RDS-40MGL, a lightweight 40mm revolving grenade launcher, enabling rapid multi-target engagement. Modern materials reduce operator fatigue while maintaining the firepower needed for support weapons teams. Next, Çanak Venom LR, Çanak's heavy-caliber remote weapon station designed for vehicle mounting. Provides armored platforms with devastating firepower while keeping operators protected inside the vehicle hull. Sarsılmaz Attack, an advanced tactical weapon system from Sarsılmaz, incorporating composite construction. Lightweight, modern materials provide strength and durability for next-generation Turkish Special Forces operations. Next up, handheld anti-drone and electronic weapons. Harparcı ES-60.
a Turkish-designed electromagnetic weapon for electronic warfare. Neutralizes enemy electronics and communication systems without kinetic destruction, representing cutting-edge non-lethal capabilities. Then, Aselsan İHA, Aselsan's portable anti-drone jammer, creating protective electromagnetic barriers. Defends Turkish forces against reconnaissance and attack drones by disrupting their control signals completely. Finishing off with historical and Ottoman era. K-Kale, M1938 Mauser. The Kırıkkale-manufactured Mauser rifle that armed Turkish soldiers for decades. This 7.92mm bolt action represents the foundation of Turkey's small arms industry and military heritage. Next, M1948 Forestry Carbine. A shortened carbine variant designed for forestry guards and gendarmes. Compact dimensions made it ideal for mounted patrols through Anatolia's rugged mountains and dense forests. Turkish Vickers. The water-cooled Vickers machine gun, produced in Turkish arsenals, could sustain fire for hours without barrel changes, providing incredible suppression during Ottoman and early Republican conflicts. Submachine, an elegant long rifle from the Ottoman era, known for ornate silver inlay. These flintlock weapons combine deadly accuracy with artistic craftsmanship, reflecting Anatolian metalworking traditions. Cefadar, a beautifully decorated Ottoman flintlock rifle displaying masterful artistry, as much a status symbol as a weapon, featuring elaborate engravings that showcase the owner's wealth and prestige. Up next, Karyofili, an iconic Ottoman long rifle with distinctive extended barrel. Warriors across Anatolia and the Balkans relied on these flintlock rifles for centuries of regional warfare and defense. Abus gun, a portable Ottoman artillery piece mounted on swivels for mobile deployment. This small-bore cannon provided concentrated firepower in mountain warfare, where larger artillery couldn't reach.